Yes, I do. It's kind of related to bankruptcy. I have actually it was a credit card bill, and initially was a $9,600 bill, and then I lost my job, and after 3 years, I got back on my feet, got a job again, and that was turned over to another company, and now I got a bill saying I owe $24,800. You know, because they've been adding. I had two others like this, but had them paid off because they didn't continue to add interest. But this particular one did. So I just kind of like some insight as to how to handle this.
All right, thank you, Scott. We appreciate you sharing.
You know, maybe a question is whether or not he's a candidate for bankruptcy. I think that's a big question on people's minds.
Well, let me start with this. First of all, there's only 5 things somebody can do when they have a financial problem. Find more money so that you can pay that bill, lower your expenses, file some sort of a payment plan, file an outright bankruptcy, or do nothing. So in this particular case, what Scott needs to do is have an analysis to see what works best for him. Although it sounds like $24,000 is way beyond his means, we don't know that for sure, and we don't know how it's going to affect his assets. Everybody's case is a little different. Almost every bankruptcy attorney in this town will give you a free consultation and analyze your situation for you.
Can you go back to a card company, a carrier, and negotiate getting that price a little bit dropped lower?
You can. I think there's several things you have to be careful about, though, Tiffany. One is that if you say, and you see these ads, we'll cut your bills in half. If you take that $24,000 credit card and only pay $12,000 on it, the other $12,000 is ordinary income and you're taxed on it. And they'll file a 1099. So then you have a tax bill that you haven't counted on. So you have to be careful how you do that. And also, if you do it, you usually want a lawyer to do it to document it in writing, and sometimes you can negotiate that part of the situation away.
Okay.